In this video, I'm going to be measuring the transmission oil capacity of my 2024 KTM 300 EXC TBI. For my transmission oil changes, I always use the Tokyo Off-Road Oil Drain Tool. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, I'll provide a link in the description of the video. It makes oil changes really clean and simple. You don't have to remove the skid plate and it allows the oil to be collected in a suitable container. For this oil change, I'm using a clean pan because I want to inspect the oil. Normally I'd use an old oil container and drain straight into that. Just remove the bung and drain it. I have warmed the bike up to operating temperature, so the oil is nice and warm and should drain out nicely. I always do my oil changes on the side stand and just let it drain like that fully. Okay, so I finished draining the oil. I've removed the oil drain tool and I'm reinstalled the drain plug with a new washer, and I'm going to torque it to 20 Newton meters. So to measure the transmission oil capacity, the bike needs to be level. I've put it on the center stand and then adjusted the height under the front wheel until it is level. So I now have the transmission oil completely drained. I've removed the oil level bolt here and also the filler. And the method I'm going to use is I've measured out 800 milliliters of oil precisely. I'm going to pour it in and do it slowly and look at the oil level bolt hole and stop when it starts coming out of there. I've leveled the bike on the stand. It's completely level, so the measurement should be accurate. Okay, the oil's just started to come out of the oil level, and that's how much oil I've got left from 800 milliliters, so it's less than 800 milliliters. I'll measure the amount I have left over. And the torque spec for the oil level screw is 8 Newton meters, so it's fairly low. I use a torque wrench to make sure I don't over tighten it. And if you do over tighten it, you can easily strip out the thread in the case, and then you've got to repair it, and it's a big pain. This is the main reason that I do this measurement, so that for future oil changes I don't need to use the oil level screw at all, and I just measure out the capacity of oil which I measured and add that in. So originally I had 800 milliliters. This is what I've got left over. I measured it at 72 milliliters. Lost a small amount from the oil level hole, and also some stuck to the jug. So going forwards, I'm going to be using 725 milliliters for my oil changes.